If you want to see me go from the dry, frizzy twist to juicy twist with minimal frizz, then you need to keep watching. Hey sunshines, and welcome back to Slimthick Curls. So today I want to do a review on my Prickly Pear Paradise Penetrating Strength and Superfood Infusion Minty Scalp Purifying Spray. Also, I want to review the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid Out Glaze. If you watched my previous video where I talked about my online experience with the main choice, you'll notice that the Minty Scalp Purifying Spray was in that video. However, I did not review it or use it in that video because I was focusing on the Tropical Moringa line. So today I'm going to be styling my crochet passion twist that I have in my hair. So I have a little bit of frizz in the crochet passion twist. All my fault, not the hair. So I'm going to take it down. From a distance, you may not be able to see all of the frizz that's in here, but trust and believe, it's in here. So it's back here, all that. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm going to start off with the Minty Scalp Purifying Spray just to freshen up my scalp. And I started using this about 3 days ago. So what I typically do is at night before I go to bed, I spray my hair with it. And I just take some cotton rounds, and after I massage the spray through my scalp, I'll take the cotton rounds and just wipe it out. So just making sure that it gets all the dirt, any oil, any and everything that's sitting on top of my scalp that should not be there, it gets it out. And when I go to bed at night, oh, it smells so good. It's not overpowering, but I can definitely smell it as I'm laying down, and it just smells so good. So nothing like stuff smelling good as you're laying in the bed going to sleep. Here's all the dirt and oil that I was able to remove with one of the cotton rounds. So, I almost put my out. So I'm going to start from the top to see how, or start by putting the top up to see how it does underneath. That way, if it does not do well, at least it won't be on the outside or the top where you can see everything. So for this process, I'm going to unravel the twist and then spray them with the main choice Tropical Moringa Daily Restorative Spray. Massage that in so I can get ready for the Pearly Braid Out Glaze, which has a nice consistency. It's a little runny, but not too runny and not too thick. And then just massage that in and twist it back up, making sure that I add some additional glaze to the ends of the hair. And then for this particular twist, it's not even, so I'm just going to take it apart so that on the left side and the right side, it has the same length. So I hope that makes sense, but I just want them to be even, so that's why I'm taking them apart. I only had to do that for probably like 2 twists, so it wasn't too bad. And I did not take down all the twists in my hair, just the ones that I felt needed some extra tender love and care because of the frizz. But other than that, ain't nobody got time to be retwisting this whole hairstyle, especially when it's crochet passion twist. So that's what we looking like so far. Looks good. I'm kind of impressed. So since I was happy with the way the results looked on the bottom twist, I went ahead and did the rest of my hair. And now to slick these edges. And you already know, if you've been following me, I'm using my 24-hour edge tamer. So now I'm just going to put it up in a ponytail so I can tie my hair up. Just taking it down so that the part can lay the direction that I need it to lay in, and put it back into the ponytail. So now it's time for my Slimthick Curls 5-star review, where I talk about the things that I like and dislike. So starting with the Minty Scalp Purifying Spray, I like the smell. It's soothing, refreshes my scalp, and I can use it in between shampoos. What I dislike? Absolutely nothing. So I gave this 5 stars. Now for the Pearly Braid Out Glaze, I like the smell, the size as to how many ounces I got, the flexible hold, and that it minimized frizz. What I dislike? It was very sticky on my fingers just afterwards. Not so much the hair, but it was just sticky. And I gave it a 4.5. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slimthick Curls. And let me know what you think of the Minty Scalp Purifying Spray and the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Toodles. Mwah.